Ever wondered how to keep those pesky ants away from your fruit trees? Or perhaps you're curious about the wonders of organic mulch? Well, you're in the right place. First off, let's tackle the ant problem. Ants can be a real nuisance when they invade your fruit trees. But here's a simple trick to keep them at bay. All you need is some ordinary duct tape and a pair of scissors. Cut several strips of duct tape and wrap them around the trunk of your fruit tree, making sure the sticky side is facing outward. This creates a barrier that ants won't be able to cross. And why is this important? Well, ants are known to farm aphids, small insects that feed on the sap of your fruit tree. By keeping ants away, you're also preventing aphids from infesting your tree. It's all about maintaining a balanced ecosystem in your garden. Next, let's discuss the magic of organic mulch. Not only does it help retain moisture in the soil and suppress weeds, but it also provides a host of nutrients as it breaks down over time. Plus, it creates a barrier that ants and other pests don't particularly enjoy crossing. Spread a generous layer of organic mulch around the base of your fruit tree, making sure to leave a bit of space around the trunk to prevent rot. As the mulch decomposes, it'll enrich the soil and promote a healthy ecosystem for your tree to thrive in. And why is this important? Well, aside from providing nutrients and suppressing pests, organic mulch also helps regulate soil temperature, reduces erosion, and promotes beneficial microorganisms in the soil. It's nature's way of nourishing your fruit trees from the ground up. To summarize, keeping ants away and using organic mulch are two effective ways to maintain a healthy ecosystem for your fruit trees. So, get out there and start applying these tips today. Don't forget to check out the gardening tools affiliate links in the description below. And thank you for any purchase you make. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions help keep this channel going. Until next time, happy gardening.